I just wanted to give you guys another example of the softer material compound, since there's been a lot of concern about the drag slicks not being functional, and that's not really far fetched, but you have to understand why they were initially designed. However, because people wanted the looks and they wanted the replica look, that's what we did. We made that. But what we also have done, a lot of you guys are not aware of, and I would like to get this awareness out there, is that we have multiple compounds, not just the firm rubber, but we also have the soft rubber. So you can squish it, it squishes and it contours to whatever kind of surface you're on a lot more. Put it in the light so you can see it. And then also your surface here it's going to be rubbery, it's going to be squishy. So when you have a load down on here, you can see that the inside of your where your kid's going to sit, it's stronger, and it's going to allow that wheel to push down ever so slightly, and so you'll get softer lip on the outside, firmer on the inside, and then the middle is going to contour with whatever surface you're on. I recommend keeping the softer material for those who are more experienced, and the firmer material for those who are not. However, they can start with the OEM tires or maybe run the Go Tread, which are a little bit more aggressive, and then they can go back and forth between the firm, the soft, and the Go Tread until they find something that they like. But the biggest difference is that these tires with the many options are just much more safe for your kids than running glued foam to your tires, as we have seen that when those shred, your kids are susceptible to slamming into a wall or another kid or anything else. So the awareness of the softer compound is definitely there. I want you guys to know that, and that's the purpose of this. Also, when you get these slicks, the design in the center is designed to take our thrust bearings that we supply. Now, these come with the wheels because they are a necessity. However, you can also use our rear race bearings pressed in the back if you want, but these are not included because they are not necessary. The fronts, however, are definitely necessary. It allows you to put your push nut on there or your nylon locking nut and keep it in place, and allows the wheel to be able to freely move without crunching down on that wheel set. So a little bit more about the softer version of the MT slicks.